Hello everyone, and welcome to our sleep lecture, your sanctuary for rest and relaxation. Tonight, we're embarking on a journey into the heart of a deep, dark cave, a place of profound quiet and stillness. Imagine leaving the busy, bright world behind. As you step into the cave's entrance, a cool, gentle breeze greets you, carrying the scent of damp earth and ancient stone. The air itself feels heavy with tranquility, instantly calming your senses. Each step you take leads you further away from the noise and distractions of the day, deeper into a realm of peace. With every footstep on the smooth stone floor, you can feel the tension begin to melt away from your body. The sounds of the outside world fade into a distant memory, replaced by the soft, rhythmic drip of water echoing in the vast chamber. This is a sound of pure, natural quiet. It's a gentle percussion that measures the slow, steady passage of time, a rhythm for your heart to follow as it slows down. Your breathing deepens, matching the calm and steady pulse of the cave. You are safe here, completely sheltered from everything else. Look around you in the soft, imagined darkness. You can't see the walls, but you can feel their presence. Solid and protective, they form a natural cocoon around you, a space dedicated solely to rest. There are no screens here. No glaring lights, no urgent notifications demanding your attention. There is only the profound, velvety darkness that invites your eyes to close and your mind to let go. This darkness is not empty. It's filled with potential for deep, restorative sleep. It's a comforting blanket, wrapping you in security and peace. Let your body find a comfortable position. Perhaps you are lying on a soft bed of moss or simply floating in the serene quiet of the cavern. Feel the support beneath you, holding you completely. You don't need to hold yourself up anymore. Let your muscles release one by one. Start with your toes, letting them go limp. Feel the relaxation travel up through your feet and into your ankles. Let go of any tightness in your calves and thighs. Your legs feel heavy and wonderfully relaxed, sinking into the feeling of complete support. Now bring your awareness to your hips and your lower back. This is an area where we often hold a lot of stress from sitting or standing all day. Consciously release it. Imagine the tension dissolving, flowing out of you, and being absorbed by the ancient stone of the cave. Feel a wave of warmth and softness spread across your abdomen and chest. Your breathing is slow and even, a gentle tide rising and falling. With each exhale, you release more and more of the day's worries. They drift away from you like smoke, disappearing into the vastness of the cave. Feel the relaxation move into your shoulders. Let them drop away from your ears. Release the weight you've been carrying. This feeling of release flows down your arms, through your elbows, and into your wrists. Your hands, which have worked so hard all day, can now rest. Let your fingers uncurl. Your arms and hands feel heavy, warm, and completely at ease. They are resting, just like the rest of your body, sinking deeper into this state of profound calm. Now focus on your neck and your jaw. Unclench your teeth. Let your jaw hang slack. Let your tongue rest softly in your mouth. Feel the small muscles around your eyes and in your forehead begin to smooth out. All the expressions you've held throughout the day can now fade away. Your face is soft and serene. There is nothing to do, nothing to think about, nothing to be. You are simply here in this peaceful cave, resting. The darkness is your friend, and the silence is a soothing balm for your mind. As your body rests, allow your mind to follow. Thoughts may still arise, and that's perfectly normal. Don't fight them. Imagine each thought is a leaf floating on a slow-moving underground river. Watch it appear, observe it without judgment, and then let it float by, carried away by the gentle current, disappearing into the darkness. You don't need to follow it. Your only task is to remain here, present in this moment of deep tranquility. The river of thoughts will continue to flow, but it doesn't have to disturb your peace. The air in the cave is cool and pure. With every breath you inhale, you draw in this clean, fresh air, filling your lungs with calmness. And with every breath you exhale, You let go of anything that no longer serves you. Breathe in peace. Breathe out stress. Breathe in stillness. Breathe out restlessness. Each breath is an anchor, holding you in this present moment, in this safe and secluded space you have created for yourself. The steady rhythm of your breathing is the only thing that matters now. Imagine the gentle dripping sound again. Drip, drop. It's a natural mantra for sleep. Let the sound wash over you. It's a reminder that nature is always in a state of flow, and you are a part of that flow. There is no need to rush, no need to force anything. Sleep will come to you when you are ready, just as the water droplet eventually falls when it is full and heavy. Trust in this natural process. Your body knows how to rest. Your mind knows how to be quiet. All you have to do is allow it to happen. You are deep inside the earth now, held in its ancient and patient embrace. The layers of rock and soil above you insulate you from the world. You are completely protected. This feeling of security allows you to let go of your last defenses, to become completely vulnerable in the best possible way. It's a vulnerability that leads to deep healing and rejuvenation. In this state of complete surrender, your body can begin its important work of repairing and restoring itself. Your mind can process and organize the day, clearing the way for a fresh start tomorrow. As you drift closer to the edge of sleep, the boundaries between you and the cave begin to blur. Your breath becomes the gentle wind in the cavern. Your heartbeat becomes the steady rhythm of the dripping water. You are not just in the cave. You are the cave. You are the stillness. You are the darkness. You are the peace. This sense of oneness is the final step before you slip completely into the world of dreams. Let yourself merge with this profound tranquility. There is nothing left to do now but to float, to drift, to dream. Allow the gentle currents of sleep to pull you under. Don't resist. Welcome the journey. This dark, quiet cave will hold you safely through the night, providing the perfect environment for the deepest, most restorative sleep you've had in a long time. Rest now. Sleep well. The cave is watching over you. We'll be here when you wake, but for now, just sleep. Good night.